Hey everybody, it's Cosmic, and welcome to another set of the Sword Art Online figurines. This is set 2. We got Silica and Elizabeth here. So, as previous before, I will be doing part 1 and part 2, or part 1 and part 2. I can't decide at this moment still. But I got these from a online site, not eBay this time, so it was right on cue. And so let's get on. So I guess doing it in order would be with, let's go with Silica. So I set Elizabeth's side. These are a little bit thinner boxes, and on the back we have the two paired up. I don't know why they are thinner boxes. Maybe they decided to get some less shipping in there. So again, I will do the tape. So tape, tape, and tape. Good. All three are done. And perfect. Open this up. Now I can see that the packaging is quite slimmer and quite tighter. So there, yeah, it's really thinner. So put that aside. There it is. And we have more tape. Everyone loves tape, apparently. What's going on here? Oh, the little dagger was sticking to it. A little dagger. So let's get that little guy out. If I can. If I can get out. This guy is actually pretty good in there. Wow. I might have to do... Aha, popped it out. Good. So I'll set this aside. Tape. So there it is there, little tiny dagger. Wow, that focused pretty good. Same on both sides. Set that aside. Stand. Small circle with two holes this time, so she's going to be jumping in the air type of thing. And we've got her pet. I forget the name. I really do. But she is a beast tamer, so very nice detail on this. Try to get a close-up shot of the head. There we go. So very nice detail, kind of rugged in a way. So, and now we go for the main character of this recording. It's like a very nice detailed. We've got a couple of dents here for the pet to sit on. There we are. So I guess move this out of the way and put her together. She's got 3 pieces this time. So, oh, it's a little different. Let's see if I can put this. Okay, there's one. Looks like it's going good. And let's get the dagger. Okay, it goes into the side and kind of snaps in. So if you want, it can turn it. Perfect. Oh, a little bit more. It's kind of flat on the inside of her hand, so you can put it in a area. For this, we've got the little dent here, and it piece on the foot goes inside. See if I can get the camera correctly. There. I'm going to put it together quite tight. Aha! Finished. So that's it. Nice combo here. Her kind of jumping up in the air. So, stay tuned for part 2, where we will meet Elizabeth. Or Elizabeth. Sorry about that. My sister in real life is actually named Elizabeth, so that's why. I get confused. I'm going to do a little spin around here. Oh, close to doing the showing. No show for you. Okay. I guess end the video and on to part